I'll show you how you can buy Steam games with Amazon gift cards. We're gonna have to jump through a couple of hoops. First off, we want to redeem the Amazon gift card. So go from your account here and you want to click on account here. Now on account, you can see there is a section called gift cards. Now on gift cards, you want to click on redeem a gift card. And then on redeem a gift card, enter in or punch in your code from your actual gift card here, punch in your code, and then apply it to your balance. Now, once that's done, let's go back to Amazon. And then you want to go to the search bar up here and you want to search for Steam gift cards. Now on Steam gift cards, for example, here I want to buy a $20 one here. Now on the $20 one here, just click on add to cart or buy now and buy with the subsequent balance you just got from this Amazon gift card from earlier, right? And then after that, you might get sent the code digitally from the seller, or you might get sent the actual Steam gift card from the mail. Now, it doesn't matter if you have the code digitally or if you have the gift card on your actual person. You want to go to Steam here now. Now on Steam, you want to go to games. Now on games, you want to go to redeem a Steam wallet code. Now on redeem a Steam wallet code, just enter in or punch in your actual Steam wallet code that you just got from the Steam gift card earlier. And then that's it. You're done.